Good evening, everybody. Bob at Two Pops Breaks. It is Friday, December the 1st. We are breaking Bonbons Jerseys Plus. It's only the second break. Damn cord, man. Caught in my damn wheels here. It's only the second break of our brand new series. We randomed up the 33 remaining boxes. We got box number 2. We did random team sales on your right. We've already randomized teams, customers, alphabetized everybody. Did give them a couple minutes to trade. Clerks is for trade if anybody's interested in the clerk spot. We did have one trade go down. Buffalo and WWE spots were swapped there. Just refreshing my Facebook chat there because it freezes on me sometimes. Again, the clerk spot is for trade, guys. Any late offers there on the clerk spot? GD, it's only 34 boxes, and there's the majority of or almost half the boxes at 4 hits. So every team's represented at least 2 or 3 times, sometimes 4. All right, so here we go, guys. Not seeing anything else on our trades. Pop of your seal. All right, box number 2. Wow, guys. Well, going to be the Golden State spot again. And unfortunately there, guys, I can't do much about that. Gonna be the Latrell Sprewell, guys. Gonna be Sprewell. Haven't had him in a while there, guys. Bam. Well, also going to be a Seattle golden ticket there. Giants gonna get the freebie spots. Giants gonna take the freebie. Last but not least is Baltimore with the J.K. Dobbins. Guys, gonna be a Panini's Chronicle. Clearly Donruss rated rookie there. So one of our 4 hit boxes, fillers. Is going to be Sprewell. We know our hits, guys. Let me just get my damn camera focus in there. There it goes. Sprewell, JSA certification on that. Golden State Warriors. Gonna take that one. Alright, who is Golden State? Well, GG's gonna take the Sprewell there. Alright, who has Seattle? Well, dog. Gonna take the Sprewell there. I mean, the golden ticket, dog. Well, you see, dog? You turn the cash box into other hits there, and it's one of the good things. All right, Baltimore. Well, that is going to Anderson. Not a big hit for you, bud. Just sort of a little throw-in bonus there, Josh. All right, so the golden ticket in the free spot was Giants. Who has the Giants? The fuck are the Giants, man? All right, sorry guys, I don't know why I'm having such a problem finding Giants there. Well, Alex, that's why. Figures right at the top of our list. Should have seen that. All right, sorry. All right, so Alex gonna get the free spot, guys. Dog. All right, so WSD is dog. Spree is GG. Card is Anderson. And then the freebie goes to Alex, guys. Gonna wrap up boxing number 2, folks. See if we can find some of our whoppers there. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, 8 p.m. Central. About 2 pouch breaks.